Hello everyone, Jorge Huertas once again with all of you. Today I'm gonna show you what is and how to use the action plan. This video is also available in Spanish. Okay, the action plan actually is a way to organize and execute a plan. It got the following characteristics. An action plan is a tool that allows you to order and generate strategies to achieve a goal or an objective. It is essential to know what the objective is to be achieved. That is the main thing that you need to do at the beginning. In the construction of the plan, it is essential to understand from the beginning the components and the different variables that they have. This tool is complementary to any agile methodology and is used in the ideation and testing stage in a project that is being developed with the design thinking methodology. Okay, so this tool is very helpful when you want to achieve something specific, when you got a goal, when you got an objective. So the first thing that you need to ask before you start everything is, what do I want to do? Okay, so what is my objective? Who's my user? Yes, to know as much as possible about the subject. And it's also very important to know as much as you can of the thing that you want to do and develop. So that is very, very important. Which are the characteristic of my user? Of course, because everything will be user-centered design despite of your objective. And of course, if you are gonna work in a group of individual, so that's also very, very important. So you got 6 steps that are very important. The first one, you will write your objective, which is the purpose of the plan, what is the goal that you want to achieve. Then you need to know as much as you can about your user, about everything. It's very, very, very important, all of that. And as much information you have, it will be way better. Then you will collect more information, not just about the user, but about the strategies, about the different components that you could have. So as much as information you have, it will be better. You will analyze everything. You will be very calm. The attitude is extremely important, because if you want to do this in a hurry, it will not be recommended. Then you will formulate the plan. So you will step by step. The five step is extremely important, because you will have to specify everything that you put together, everything that you want to talk about. That is very, very important. So it's extremely important that the plan start from the most general thing until the most specific one. Finally, you will have the results and actions, and that is very important, because you need to analyze that when you are executing your plan, which actions and which results are you expecting. This is iterative. It means that after you see the first results and after a while, you could say like, okay, this is working. We need to create a new plan. We need to refine it, and we need to make it better, because this is never a product that is completely done. It's still upgrading with the time. So it's extremely important that you keep upgrading your plan to achieve your goal. But it's extremely important that you write step by step what you want to do. If you do it with a group, very important, because many people could contribute to the development and you can have different perspective. However, if you're doing it by yourself, try to keep an open mind and see different purpose and focus of the development. As a conclusion, we can say that it's essential that after having executed the plan, the results are evaluated and determined if it was reachable, or the goal and the objective. If not, you need to refine it and try to make it better. In case that is not reachable the goal, I recommend making a new iteration and refine the plan so you can be focused on your specific development. It is recommended to make a rubric to assess the result of the process. It means that you could create a way to evaluate the results. So a rubric is very good because it will allow you to evaluate specific points in your development. Thank you so much. I hope this video was a big help in your education. Please subscribe to our channel, Design Thinking 24/7. Follow us on social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Our Udemy courses are already available. In the link in the description of this video, you can find the link. Every Monday we have a new video in Spanish, and every Thursday we have a new video in English. Thank you to all of you. We are the #1 design thinking and agile channel in the whole YouTube universe. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.